everyone, I'm Sanchita Bora, Product Manager, One Click Equity. Today I'm going to talk about the newly released portfolio in One Click, which is Techno Funda 45.0 Capital Goods Thematic. For those of you who do not know what One Click is, I would firstly like to give you a brief overview of One Click Equity and its performance so far, and then we'll be looking at the portfolios in specific. So one-click equity is basically a simple and seamless offering which allows you to invest in theme-based baskets of stocks and ETFs. So rather than following the conventional method of investing in stocks one by one-click equity allows you to invest in multiple stocks at one go. These portfolios are curated by our in-house research team after extensive technical and fundamental analysis. So we have a wide range of portfolios spanning across sectors and themes. Also, one thing which I would like to highlight here is that one-click equity has been designed in such a manner to accommodate investors of different types and sizes. So we have portfolios with low risk, portfolios with medium risk, portfolios with high risk. Also, to accommodate the first-time investors, we have portfolios starting with an investment amount as low as rupees 700. Now, I would also like to give you a glimpse of the performance of one-click equity. So, in the last 1.5 years, we have launched around 130 portfolios, and for all the portfolios that have been booked till now, the strike rate has been 100%. And we have received portfolio subscriptions of 2,40,000 so far. So now let's look at the newly released one-click equity portfolio, which is Techno Funda 45.0 Capital Goods Thematic. So as you can see that this portfolio consists of stocks from the capital goods sector. So as you all must be aware that in the union budget, the amount that has been earmarked for capital goods has increased by 35%, which approximately forms 2.9% of the GDP. So this means that capital goods sector is going to be one of the key beneficiaries and is going to provide handsome returns in the days to come. Now let's take a look at some of the constituents of this portfolio. So we have Siemens, we have Larsen and Toubro, Hindustan Aeronautics, Thermax, SKF India, ESAB India, and others. Also, when we look at the investment range, the ideal range for investment in this portfolio is somewhere between 35,600 to 36,000. So now when I talk about the investment range, this is an ideal investment range, but this does not mean that we can only invest in this portfolio in this range. We need to invest in this range, but this is not rigid. Also, when we look at the market cap distribution, this portfolio has a mix of large cap, mid cap, and small cap stocks. So around 36% of the portfolio comprises of large cap stocks, followed by 22%. 22% comprises of mid cap stocks, and around 40% comprises of small cap stocks. So now we'll also see as to how we can invest in this particular portfolio. So you can invest in this portfolio either by logging into a website or to a mobile app. So here I'm going to give you a short demo as to how you can invest in the portfolio using the website. So all you need to do is you need to log in, and here you need to click on one-click equity. So once you click on one-click equity, you will be able to see the entire list of portfolios, and we have filters available here also. So you can choose the filters as per your preference. So now I'm going to focus on this portfolio. So here you can see all the constituents of the portfolio and the number of shares. Also, portfolio report constitutes of the details of the portfolios we just discussed. One thing which I would also like to show you is that, once you click on view performance, we can actually compare the performance of the portfolio against indices. So you can compare the portfolio performance against Nifty, against Sensex, against Nifty 200, and against Nifty 500. So here we can see that the portfolio was launched on 3rd February, and since 3rd February till date, we can see how the portfolio has performed against the index. Also, if you want to look at the key ratios of the portfolio, you can look at the key ratios of the portfolio by clicking on this. So here we have the portfolio alpha, the portfolio beta, dividend yield. So you can look at all the ratios here. So I'll just take you through one of them. So let's say portfolio beta. So now portfolio beta basically tells you regarding the volatility or regarding the risk associated with a particular portfolio. So if the beta is considered to be less than 1, it is said to be less volatile. And if the beta is considered to be more than 1, it is considered to be more volatile. So here the portfolio beta is 0.76, which indicates that it is lower volatile. Also, this means that if the market corrects by 10%, this portfolio is going to correct by 7.6%. Also, if the market rises by 10%, this portfolio will rise by 7.6%. So similarly, you can look at the interpretations of all these portfolios. So now coming to how we can invest in this particular portfolio. So there are two modes of investment. If you want, you can invest in a lump sum manner, or if you want to invest in a staggered manner, you can also choose the SIP option. So we have a range of frequencies available from weekly to yearly. You can choose it as per your frequency, as per your preference. And then the time period is available ranging from 3 months to till cancellation. So you can choose it as per your preference. So now I need to click on invest now, proceed. And my portfolio has been subscribed. So that was all from my side. Thank you. Happy investing.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all related documents carefully before investing.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to never miss an update from ICICIdirect.